Hello, thank you for previewing my listing. If you would like to schedule an appointment to see this home, please contact me and I will be happy to arrange this for you. This spacious 3-bedroom 2-bath home with gated covered RV access may be just what you have been looking for. Located in North Hemet near Park Hill Animal Park. Gleaming woodwork and laminate wood floors in the family room just off the kitchen. The living room offers a cozy corner rock fireplace with gas log kit. Ceiling fans, an evaporative cooler, and new HVAC system in 2018 are some of the benefits you will find in this home. Generous closets and ample storage throughout. Indoor laundry room with additional storage. An appealing floor plan that offers just under 1,700 square feet. A second master bedroom with Jack and Jill bath offer you flexibility for your family. The covered patio will be a perfect location for enjoying an afternoon.